Well, here we are on the border between France and Spain, and it's really, really hot. Like, it is hot. Let's have a quick skeg at my bike. Let's have a quick skeg. TKC80s look alright. That chain needs a damn good lube tomorrow morning. I think we're good. Luggage is alright. Yeah, get off there, fly. Let's hit the road. Ooh wee. Rock and or roll. "22 miles to the hotel." Yeah, so this is our third day in France. We set off on Monday. It's now Wednesday. No, it's Thursday for reference. We set off on Monday down to Folkestone. Yesterday we did Folkestone to Le Mans. Oh, that was the day before. On Tuesday we did Folkestone to Le Mans. Wednesday we did Le Mans to Bergerac, and today we've done Bergerac to the Spanish border, which is about 22 miles away from where we are now. Just shooting into the Pyrenees. As you can see, we're doing some mountain road. It's been a really nice ride. It's been really, really good weather. And I think it's set in for the next week or so, however long we're here. After this we've got another 8 days or something, so we're going to have quite a lot of things to do. Probably going to do a bit of Spain, then head east back into France, south France, and then into Switzerland potentially, and then Germany in a big loop like that. It's going to be pretty good, pretty interesting. I'll keep you posted to keep the videos coming up. Go 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 Ben, go go Ducati. I'm going to do a poo as well. No, I'm going to poo first, I'm oldest. Oh, we're going in the tunnel. I can't see anything. Oh, it's so cold. There's 7 kilometres of tunnel, mate. This is a 7-kilometre tunnel. And we're now in Spain. We are now in Spain. 5 k's left.
2,000 years later.
Oh, I can see daylight. That was a dirty tunnel. Oh, back into the warmth, nice. Valley de Aragon. Are we here? Are we in Jaca? Very nice. Doing a righty. Is it? There's bikes there. Go see what the crack is. This place is fucking beautiful. This ruined village over there is just like shit up. And I got that bridge down there. There's a trail, you see it? Where those pipe things are. Right down there. How do you get down there? Oh, when I did something similar to this. It was close, wasn't it? Oh, bit of squeeze on the back end. that one was a bit tight. This road is super twisty. God's sake. Did you feel the dodgy camber then? Yeah. Like bumped me over to the left. Yeah, and there's a bus coming. Yeah, and there's a bus coming. You've got a fucking coach to deal with. There's how many more? I don't mind. I think this is the most I've ever done. Some of them can be a bit dicky like.